Every year, India produces 1.5 million engineers, 1.5 million. But do you know how many can build a core AI product? Just about 2,000. Imagine that. Artificial intelligence is the future. According to the International Monetary Fund, AI will affect 40% of all jobs in the future, 40%. Yet the world seems unprepared for it. And so are India's engineers. According to a new report, 67% of them think that AI will take their jobs. 87% are considering upskilling. Will that be enough to safeguard their careers? Our next report tells you.
The world of artificial intelligence. Every day there are new products, new innovations, yet the people making them are few. That makes AI talent limited. But while AI jobs are in demand, what about other jobs? Is artificial intelligence going to replace them? A report by the International Monetary Fund says that artificial intelligence could impact 300 million jobs. That's about 9.1% of all jobs in the world. According to the IMF, 40% of all jobs will be affected by AI in some way or the other by 2025. In Europe alone, 68% people fear they could lose their job due to AI. So AI is coming for your job, and the world is worried, including India's engineers. 67% of them fear AI could negatively impact their jobs. They fear they could lose their jobs. But is this fear warranted? Well, according to estimates, nearly 40% of all engineering jobs could be automated in the next decade. So they're not wrong to worry. According to a 2023 India Skills report, about 60% of India's engineering graduates are employable. Only 45% meet the industry standards. That's because of a variety of reasons. First, there's a surplus of graduates. India produces over 1.5 million engineers each year. Second, most of them have a skill gap. They have the basic education needed, but there's a lack of application-based education. That means they know the theory but fail at the practical. Also, standard engineering courses often don't prepare graduates for the workplace. So what's the solution? Well, the only way out is upskilling, and India's engineers agree. 87.5% believe upskilling can future-proof their careers. 89% want to acquire hard skills. 86% want to know more about generative AI. They want to focus more on high-level problem-solving and skills that complement AI technologies. That said, engineering is not the only job that AI threatens. There are several other jobs that could be in danger, including technical writing, legal assistants, market research analysts, travel agents, translators, customer service, and a lot more. A UK think tank report says that women, young workers, and people who are least paid will be the most affected. Even the Indian government said that some routine jobs are likely to be automated. So does that mean that your job is in danger? Well, artificial intelligence will change the job market like any new technology has in the past. Some jobs will become redundant, but it will also give birth to new jobs. The IMF says so too. We don't know what it will look like just yet, but one thing is for sure. AI will reshape the world of employment in the years to come.